I'm so excited to meet Coach Travis Williams, the defensive coordinator of the Razorbacks. I can't wait to learn how he inspires his team and builds connections with his players.
So we always talk about E plus R equals O. So you have the event that can happen in your life, an event can happen in a game, an event can happen in the classroom, you didn't test well, but that's an event. Your response, so that's the event plus the response will equal the outcome. So E plus R equals O. So we talk about the response so much, so whether you play really well and how's your response going to be, because you got to just flush in and move on, and because it's a long season, or if you don't play well, okay, how's your response going to be? Because if you have a really good response, your outcome will be really good.
Mm-hmm.
As the MAC linebacker, we want to get a line to the tight end, so it'll be there, and the money linebacker is going to get aligned away from the tight end. So you got a MAC, you got the money. This will be you as the quarterback of the defense.
Okay.
So once you get out there, you say, okay, where's the tight end? Oh, the tight end's to the right. Tight right, tight right. So right now, as you look at it, tight right, because what you're doing, you're getting all of these guys set. How would you say right or left on this one?
Tight right.
Tight right, why?
Well, tight end is on my right.
That's it. It's not a trick question. There you go. There you go. You did it. So let's look at this right quick. Is a tight end in the core?
No.
No. So the tight end is not in the core. I have to now set the big boys to what will let me set it the correct way. What's my next key if the tight end isn't in the core?
Running back.
Running back. Perfect. So as you look at this and the tight end is not in the core and the running back is to your what as you look at this?
Right.
So what would you say?
Tight right.
Come on now. Come on now.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay.
You got it.